Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get latest updates.
Dear viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to unbox and review BM800 dynamic condenser microphone. I purchased it from Amazon for 850 rupees. Before opening the box, let's take a close look from all the sides. I will use this microphone for recording my voice for this unboxing video, and hopefully you will understand about its quality. And I will use this microphone with my laptop without any sound card. Let's open the box and find out what is provided inside. Wow, all contents are arranged in a messy way. This cord is aux to XLR power cord. Its length is about 2.5 meter, which is pretty big, and quality seems to be quite good. And this is shock mount, which can provide basic protection from damage and isolate microphone from mechanically transmitted noise. It's pretty heavy and made of metal. This is anti-wind foam, which will protect microphone against wind interference and outside noise. And this is our microphone. It has solid metal body and looks gorgeous. So I would say it's a decent item at this price. Let me put on the anti-wind foam over it and let's see how does the microphone look. The foam is thick, so it will be able to filter out outside noise and wind interference easily. Let's connect the cable with the microphone. The microphone has the male port and the cable has the female port. We have to connect them together. As this is a dynamic microphone, it will catch sounds from all directions. It works best with a phantom power supply, but if you don't have a phantom power supply, it will work with your PC also. You just need to change some settings in your microphone configuration. You will get better result if your PC has a dedicated sound card. If you don't have a sound card, you can also buy an external USB sound card. But even if you don't have an external sound card, you can get better result by changing some configuration. Let me show you what to change in your microphone configuration. First of all, you need to keep your mic in a steady position. Right click over your sound icon and then go to open sound settings. Under input, we can select our microphone. So I am selecting microphone Realtek high definition audio, and here I will select device properties. Friends, right now I am speaking through this microphone and my microphone settings is already boosted. With this boosted settings, you can see I can achieve this much of level, but if you have a phantom power cable, you will be able to achieve full level. So that's the difference, but this much of level gives me quite satisfactory result. So let me show you how to change the settings. Go to levels and drag the slider all the way to the right and make it full. So for decibel, make it plus 30 decibel, and for the sound setting, make it 100%. This is the setting you need to change in your microphone settings, and with these settings you will get a quite good result for voice recording. But if you want to record music and instrumental sounds, I would advise you to buy phantom power adapter. So I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching my video, and please subscribe to my channel for future updates. Have a great day.